Hey guys, today I'd like to show you how to write some hi-hat patterns with the R-Arp feature in Gstomper. You can access the arpeggiator from the right through this giant slider on the right hand side. So I've written a straight 4x4 kind of a beat. Now I'll access the hats. So all I have to do is first I just hit the record button and let the sequence play, and then after that just keep moving the slider up and down, and it keeps changing the value of the note. It's very quick and easy. Now I'll go to the kick and set up a roll. That's the supremely powerful RR feature in Gstomper. Check it out, try it out. Thank you for watching.